I know how frustrating it can be to find the right speakers for your car. I bought and tested the top 6x9 component car speakers so you don't have to waste your money. Let's dive into the best options for bass that will elevate your driving experience. Product number 1. Pioneer TS F6935R 3-way coaxial speakers. When I first installed the Pioneer TS F6935R 3-way coaxial speakers, I was blown away by the immediate transformation in my car's audio. The 230-watt peak power and 30-watt nominal power handling delivered a level of sound I wasn't expecting from a speaker in this price range. The clarity was astonishing, especially in the mid-range frequencies, which made my favorite tracks come alive like never before. The installation was straightforward, fitting perfectly into my door mounts without any hassle. I particularly appreciated the sleek black and silver design that not only looked fantastic but also matched my car's interior. These speakers are passive, meaning I had to pair them with an external amplifier, but that gave me the flexibility to customize my sound further. Pros. First off, the price is unbeatable for the quality you're getting. With an 87 decibel sensitivity rating, I found that they performed exceptionally well at high volumes without distortion. The 3-way design, woofer, mid-range driver, and tweeter ensured that I got a balanced sound across all frequencies. The fit was seamless thanks to the standard 6x9 sizing. On the downside, if you're not experienced with car audio systems, I recommend professional installation to ensure everything is set up correctly. Why buy it? If you're looking for an affordable yet high-performing speaker option that delivers clear and powerful sound, the Pioneer TS F6935R is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for anyone who wants to upgrade their factory speakers without breaking the bank. Product number 2. Pioneer A-Series Plus TS A6901C. Upgrading to the Pioneer A-Series Plus TS A6901C was a game changer for my audio experience. Right out of the box, I could tell these were built for serious sound enthusiasts. With a maximum power handling of 450 watts and a continuous power handling of 100 watts, these speakers had no trouble delivering deep, rich bass alongside crisp highs. Once installed, the sound was immersive, making it feel like I had a live concert in my car. The frequency response range from 29 Hz to 58 kHz meant that even the subtlest notes and nuances in my favorite tracks were crystal clear. Pros. The sensitivity rating of 92 decibels ensured that even at lower volume levels, the sound was loud and clear, which was a huge plus for me. I also loved the included installation adapters, which made the installation process a breeze. However, the flush mount design may not suit all users, especially those with specific mounting preferences. Why buy it? If you want a reliable component speaker system that offers excellent performance and is ideal for factory upgrades, the Pioneer A-Series Plus TS A6901C is a top contender. You get excellent sound quality at a price that won't make your wallet cry. Product number 3. Rockville RV69.2C Component Speakers. I was genuinely impressed when I first tested the Rockville RV69.2C 6x9 component speakers. They boast an incredible peak power of 1,000 watts, which is something you rarely find in this category. The sound quality was rich, with deep bass that complemented the crisp mids and highs beautifully. Thanks to the injection-molded polypropylene woofer cone and PEI dome tweeter, the audio was well-rounded and dynamic. I could really feel the music, whether I was jamming to rock or enjoying some smooth jazz. Pros. The advanced crossover system worked wonders, ensuring that the sound was precisely filtered for the best audio experience. The Flex Motion butyl rubber surround added durability, which is essential for long-term performance. However, being a bit on the heavier side, installation might require some extra care to ensure they fit securely in your vehicle. Why buy it? If you're after a speaker that offers both power and clarity, the Rockville RV69.2C is an excellent choice. With its high power output and exceptional sound quality, it's perfect for those who want to elevate their car audio experience. Product number 4. NVX NSP69 Kit 6x9 Car Speakers. The NVX NSP69 Kit 6x9 car speakers caught my attention because of their impressive specifications. With a peak power of 920 watts and an RMS of 320 watts, I was excited to see how they'd perform. After installation, I was immediately struck by the high-fidelity audio they produced. The Silk Dome tweeters delivered a level of clarity that I've rarely experienced, and the overall soundstage was immersive. I could hear details in my music that I never noticed before. Pros: the durable construction of these speakers ensures that they will stand the test of time even in the demanding environment of a car. The ease of installation was another highlight. They fit perfectly in my vehicle without any modifications needed. On the flip side, the sensitivity rating of 89 decibels meant that they might require a bit more power than some other options to really shine. Why buy it? If you're looking for speakers that combine great sound quality with durability, the NVX NSP69 Kit is a solid choice. They provide an immersive listening experience and are versatile enough for various vehicle setups. Product number 5. Alpine S2 S69C Component Speaker Set. Investing in the Alpine S2 S69C component speakers was an exhilarating experience. These speakers are high-res audio certified, meaning they can reproduce frequencies up to 40 kilohertz. The first time I listened to them, I could instantly tell the difference. The sound was incredibly detailed and natural, providing a listening experience that felt truly premium. The unique combination of polypropylene, glass fiber, and mica cone materials contributed to a lightweight design with high output and low distortion, which is crucial for achieving that perfect sound balance. Pros: the immersive soundstage created by the Hammer surround technology was a standout feature. I could feel the bass notes resonate throughout the car, significantly enhancing my audio experience. However, they come at a higher price point, which might not fit everyone's budget. Why buy it? If you're serious about car audio and want to invest in a high-quality speaker set that delivers superior performance, the Alpine S2 S69C should be at the top of your list. It's a long-term investment in your listening pleasure. In conclusion, each of these 6x9 component car speakers offers something unique, whether it's power, clarity, or durability. From the budget-friendly Pioneer options to the high-end Alpine, there's something for every audio enthusiast. Choose wisely and enjoy the ride.